It's Tuesday. Welcome back to the Confidence Cocktail. So today I want to talk about one word that I think most people are using wrong, and it's costing them more than they realize. That word is but. Here's the thing. Most people use it like, I want to go to the networking event, but I'm nervous. I have something important to say, but I don't want to make it awkward. I know I should speak up, but what if nobody cares? You see what but does? It cancels everything that came before it. You take your intention and your desire and your knowing, and then you just erase it, right? So let's try something else. Let's swap the but for and, right? So I want to go to the networking event and I'm nervous. I have something really important to say and I don't want it to be awkward. It's hard for me to cut a lime and talk. Both things are true. Both things get to exist, right? You're not canceling yourself out anymore. And how come every time I squeeze this, it does this? Anyway, you start actually doing the things. You walk into the room because you want to, even if you're nervous. You say the thing because it needs to be said, even if it makes you uncomfortable, right? Confidence is not about the absence of doubt. It's about deciding to move forward even when you're doubting at the same time, right? One word. So instead of but, this week change it to and see what happens. Cheers to saying and instead of but. Let me know how you use it this week. Will you listen to this video and make that change, even if you're nervous? You got this. Okay, so this is actually supposed to be called ranch water. I'm a huge fan. Recipes in the comments.